Let's talk about manifestation, the idea that we can bring our dreams into reality through the power of our thoughts. It's a concept that's captivated people for centuries, yet it's often shrouded in misconceptions and misunderstandings. Traditional manifestation techniques can often seem like a labyrinth of vision boards, intricate affirmations, and endless hours of meditation. The sheer complexity can be overwhelming, leaving many feeling frustrated and disillusioned after trying these methods with little success. It's tempting to dismiss manifestation as mere wishful thinking, a concept reserved for those with a knack for the esoteric. But what if I told you that manifesting your dream life is far simpler and more attainable than you've ever been led to believe? Forget about convoluted rituals and exhausting efforts. Instead, get ready to discover a surprisingly simple thought hack that has the potential to unlock the door to your desires. Manifesting is not an exclusive club for the spiritually enlightened or those with extraordinary willpower. It's not about passively waiting for the universe to magically grant your wishes either. Rather, it's about understanding the profound connection between your thoughts and your reality, and harnessing that power intentionally. By making small, consistent adjustments to your thinking, you can initiate a ripple effect that transforms your life. And the best part? This isn't some mystical secret. It's accessible to anyone willing to learn. One of the most common pitfalls on the path to manifestation is falling into the effort trap. We often believe that we need to force, push, and strive relentlessly to make our dreams come true. We exhaust ourselves with endless visualizations, affirmations, and meticulously planned actions. Yet, when our desires don't materialize instantly, we're left feeling depleted and disheartened. The irony is, this very act of trying too hard can be counterproductive. When we force things to happen, we inadvertently create resistance. We send a message to the universe, and to ourselves, that we lack faith in our desires coming to fruition. This leads to a vicious cycle of worry, doubt, and insecurity, pushing our dreams further out of reach. So, how do we break free from this exhausting pattern and manifest with ease? The answer lies in a simple thought hack that revolutionizes your approach to manifesting. This hack isn't about adding more tasks to your already overflowing plate or making your life more complicated. It's about streamlining your approach and making subtle yet impactful changes to your thought patterns. Think of it as working smarter, not harder, and it's grounded in sound scientific principles. Our brains are remarkable instruments, constantly forging neural pathways based on our thoughts, beliefs, and experiences. These pathways, in turn, shape our actions, emotions, and ultimately, the results we see in our lives. By grasping how our brains function and the intricate dance between thoughts and reality, we can begin to consciously sculpt our own destinies. A key player in this fascinating process is the reticular activating system, or RAS. Nestled in our brainstem, the RAS acts as a filter for the vast amounts of information that bombard us daily. Imagine it as your brain's personal assistant, diligently highlighting what you deem important and discreetly discarding the rest. It's like having a spotlight that illuminates the aspects of your life that you choose to focus on, while the rest fades into the background. This is where the thought hack truly shines. By deliberately directing our thoughts toward what we want to manifest, we activate the RAS, essentially signaling it to be on the lookout for opportunities, resources, and synchronicities that were always present but previously overlooked. It's akin to suddenly tuning into a radio station that's been playing in the background all along, but you were never quite aware of it. This seemingly small shift in focus can set off a chain reaction that reverberates throughout our lives. Our thoughts trigger feelings. which then give rise to actions and ultimately manifest as tangible results. By consciously choosing our thoughts, we can initiate a positive feedback loop that aligns our entire being with our aspirations. This is the essence of effortless manifestation, using our thoughts to create a vibrational harmony with the things we wish to attract. Now, you might be wondering, is this just wishful thinking, or is there real science behind it? Rest assured, the connection between our thoughts and our reality is not merely a feel-good concept. It's grounded in solid research. Studies in neuroscience have revealed that our thoughts have a direct influence on our brain chemistry, our physiological functions, and even our genetic expression. This means that our thoughts are not just ephemeral mental events, they are powerful forces that shape our physical world. Think about it. The thoughts we entertain on a daily basis can literally alter our biological makeup. This is where the traditional notion of manifestation meets cutting-edge science, giving rise to a new understanding of how we can consciously create our reality. It's a paradigm shift that empowers us to take the reins of our lives and steer them in the direction of our dreams. So, what is this simple thought hack that has the potential to revolutionize your manifestation journey? It's not about adding another item to your already overflowing to-do list or adopting a complex new routine. In fact, it's quite the opposite. This hack is about stripping away the unnecessary complexity and focusing on a single, transformative thought pattern that can shift your entire reality. It's about identifying and releasing the limiting beliefs that hold you back and replacing them with empowering thoughts that propel you forward. The exact nature of this thought hack will vary depending on your individual circumstances and goals. For some, it might involve cultivating a deep sense of gratitude for the present moment, recognizing the abundance that already exists in their lives. For others, it might entail fostering a positive mindset, focusing on what they want to create rather than what they fear or lack. And for some, it might simply be a matter of letting go of resistance, surrendering to the flow of life, and trusting that the universe has their back. But regardless of the specific form it takes, the core principle remains the same. By consciously choosing our thoughts, we can initiate a powerful ripple effect that transforms our entire experience of life. We can attract the people, opportunities, and resources we need to achieve our goals. We can create a reality that aligns with our deepest desires and highest potential. So, are you ready to discover this simple thought hack and unleash the full power of your mind? Are you ready to step into a new level of conscious creation and manifest the life you've always dreamed of? The foundation of this simple thought hack is the law of attraction, a universal principle that states, like attracts like. It suggests that our thoughts and feelings emit a vibrational frequency that resonates with similar frequencies in the universe. When we focus on positive thoughts and emotions, we attract positive experiences and outcomes. Conversely, when we dwell on negativity and lack, we inadvertently attract more of the same. To put it simply, our thoughts act like magnets, drawing in experiences that match their vibrational frequency. This is why it's so crucial to become aware of our thought patterns and consciously choose the ones that align with our desires. The more we focus on what we want to create, the more we signal to the universe and to our subconscious mind that we are ready and open to receive it. But let's be clear, the law of attraction is not about wishful thinking or simply hoping for the best. It's about taking deliberate action to align our thoughts, feelings, and actions with our desired outcomes. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance and possibility, even in the face of challenges or setbacks. This is where the thought hack comes in. It gives us a practical tool to harness the power of the law of attraction and manifest our desires more easily and effortlessly. By focusing on specific thought patterns, we can create a vibrational match with our goals and attract them into our reality. It's like tuning our internal radio station to the frequency of our dreams. Now let's look into the practical steps involved in implementing this thought hack. Identify your limiting beliefs. The first step is to become aware of the negative thought patterns and limiting beliefs that are holding you back. These might be beliefs like I'm not good enough, I don't deserve success, or it's too late for me to achieve my dreams. Take some time to reflect on the thoughts that consistently pop up in your mind, especially when you think about your goals. Challenge and reframe. Once you've identified your limiting beliefs, it's time to challenge their validity. Ask yourself, is this belief really true? Does it serve me in any way? What evidence do I have to support it? Often you'll find that these beliefs are based on fear, past experiences, or societal conditioning, and they don't actually reflect your true potential. Replace with empowering thoughts. Now that you've cleared out the negative clutter, it's time to replace those limiting beliefs with empowering thoughts that support your goals. These might be affirmations like, I am worthy of abundance, I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to, or I am open and receptive to new opportunities. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for shifting your vibrational frequency and attracting more positivity into your life. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, big and small. This simple practice can help you focus on the good in your life and attract more of it. Visualize your success. Visualization is another effective technique for aligning your thoughts and feelings with your goals. Spend some time each day imagining yourself having already achieved your desired outcome. Engage all your senses as you create a vivid mental picture of your success. This will help you feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal, which can further amplify the manifestation process. Take inspired action. While the thought hack is focused on shifting your internal state, it's also important to take action in the external world. This doesn't mean forcing or striving. It means being open to opportunities, following your intuition, and taking steps that feel aligned with your goals. When you're in a high vibrational state, you'll naturally be drawn to actions that support your desires. Be patient and persistent. Manifestation is not an overnight process. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort to shift your thought patterns and create lasting change. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Trust the process. Keep focusing on your goals and celebrate even the smallest victories along the way. The beauty of this thought hack lies in its simplicity and accessibility. You don't need to be a spiritual guru or a master meditator to harness its power. All you need is the willingness to examine your thoughts, challenge the ones that no longer serve you, and replace them with empowering beliefs that propel you towards your goals. It's a practice that anyone can adopt, regardless of their background or current circumstances. Remember, the key to success with this technique is consistency. Just like any skill, mastering your thoughts takes practice and dedication, but the rewards are immeasurable. As you cultivate a more positive and intentional mindset, you'll start to see subtle shifts in your life. Opportunities will seem to appear out of nowhere. Solutions to challenges will present themselves effortlessly. You'll attract the right people, resources, and experiences that support your journey towards your dreams. Don't be discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Remember, this is a process of rewiring your brain, and it takes time for new neural pathways to form. Be patient with yourself, trust the process, and celebrate even the smallest victories along the way. Each positive thought you choose, each limiting belief you release, is a step closer to creating the life you desire. Now you might be wondering, what about those who face seemingly insurmountable challenges? Can this thought hack really help them? The answer is a resounding yes. The thought hack is not about denying or ignoring difficult circumstances. It's about empowering yourself to navigate them with a positive and resilient mindset. It's about finding the silver lining in every cloud and believing in your ability to overcome adversity. In fact, many people have used this technique to manifest miracles in the face of seemingly impossible odds. They have healed from chronic illnesses, overcome financial hardship, found love after heartbreak, and achieved success beyond their wildest dreams. The key is to remember that your thoughts are not bound by external limitations. They are powerful forces that can shape your reality, regardless of your circumstances. So, no matter what challenges you're facing, don't give up on your dreams. Accept this simple thought hack. Cultivate a mindset of abundance and possibility, and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. The power to manifest your desires is within you. All you have to do is believe. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I make this thought hack a consistent part of my life? The key is to make it a habit. Just as brushing your teeth or exercising regularly becomes second nature with practice, so too can cultivating positive thought patterns. Consistency is key. The more you engage in these practices, the more ingrained they become in your subconscious mind, leading to effortless and automatic manifestation. There are several tools and resources that can support you on this journey. One powerful tool is journaling. Taking a few minutes each day to write down your thoughts and feelings can help you gain clarity and identify any recurring negative patterns. You can also use your journal to write affirmations, gratitude lists, or even letters to the universe expressing your desires as if they've already manifested. Another helpful resource is meditation. By quieting your mind and focusing on your breath, you can create space for positive thoughts to emerge and strengthen your connection to your inner wisdom. There are countless meditation techniques available, so find one that resonates with you and make it a regular part of your routine. Sharing your experiences, challenges, and successes with others can provide invaluable support and encouragement. Joining a group or online forum dedicated to manifestation can be a great way to stay motivated and inspired. Remember, the thought hack is not a magic bullet or a quick fix. It's a powerful tool that, when used consistently and with intention, can transform your life from the inside out. It's a journey of self-discovery, growth, and empowerment. So, be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and trust in the power of your thoughts to create the reality you desire.